What is up, everybody? Just got a Nabalis Hydra, and I really like the handles on here, just gonna be honest with you. But the problem is I ordered the teal Bowie, okay? This is a Bowie, but it's a fucking bottle opener. And if I wanted a bottle opener, I would probably not get one for a balisong, you know? Definitely better ways to do it. That being said, it's a really good flipper. It
This way from the spider.
Whew. It's it's good. It's really good. The problem is Nabalis is just pumping out tons of stuff with their $40 knives that they're not checking orders. That should matter at least. So ordered a tool, didn't get that. Ordered the Live Blade Teal Bowie version, didn't get that. It's just super frustrating because this is the kind of shit that makes Will have like a tarnish, you know, when it's not even him. It's just Nabalis, and it's not Will because Will's doing Will things, and this is strictly a Nabalis issue. And it's just like really frustrating when you have like a big name company that's just doing shoddy work. It's just, I don't know. It's just frustrating to me, but I don't know. That's just me though. And yes, Den BMX, I would recommend these because, you know, just put anything up there. It's empty because I plan to redo it, but like, subscribe, share, love me. Just fucking love me, okay?